If you are looking for the best dryer vent hose,
here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
Number 1, most popular, iPower GL Duct 4X8C dryer vent hose. If you search for a dryer vent hose that you can use not just for your dryer, but for other applications, iPower has you covered this issue. This dryer hose can also be used in greenhouses, kitchens, grow tents, and so on. Besides, you can use this tool in these places without worrying about it starting or causing any fires. This is because it has an intensive thermal endurance power that ranges from -18 degrees centigrade to 85 degrees centigrade. The best type of dryer vent hose is the one that allows flexibility. Number 2, Dundas Jafine BTD 48TC vents. If you're looking for a quality hose at an affordable price, then Dundas Jafine has what you need. This relatively inexpensive hose is made from 4-ply aluminum and features a flexible design so you can easily adjust it. Some flexible aluminum hoses are rather flimsy and tear easily, but this one holds up quite well when you install it or if you have to move your dryer out for cleaning. You get 8 feet of hose when you purchase this, but since the material is light and flexible, Number 3, Whirlpool 4396037RP Vent Periscope. If you are working with a tight space, for example, a short distance between your dryer and wall vent, this dryer tube by Whirlpool is the ultimate choice for you. It allows close-to-wall applications as small as 2.5 inches. Besides, you can also use it even if you do not have issues with your space. The reason is it can be adjusted up to a length of 18 inches. Its package includes a male snap-lock fitting. The product also comes with an extra-long drawband collar. Number 4, LASCO 10-1874 Dryer Vent Hose. If you're in need of a shorter hose and don't want to have to worry about trimming a longer one down, consider this one from LASCO. This flexible aluminum hose is 4 feet long and felt much like the Dundas Jafine product we tried. The length makes it ideal for small spaces when the dryer is close to the exhaust vent hookup, but since this one doesn't come with clamps, you will have to purchase some. We didn't have any problems with it ripping or tearing during installation, and it seems like. Number 5, LOOTICH New Version Vent Hose. If multifunctionality is your priority when choosing the best dryer vent hose, this one by LOOTICH will satisfy this precedence. This is because it can fit in various application scenarios. These include air conditioning, grow tents, and kitchens. Furthermore, the ducting on this vent hose is easy to bend. Thus, it can easily reach tiny spaces in the mentioned application scenarios. Besides being a multi-purpose dryer vent tube, the item is also designed to last you a long time.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.